Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the black screen after boot on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to enter in the automatic repair. Follow the steps I shown in this. Just force shutdown. Just turn on your PC when Windows dot icon loading. Just this icon. When this icon appears, you just need to hold the power button to force shutdown. And do repeat the process for 3 times, and the fourth time you will enter the automatic repair mode automatically, and you will get in the blue screen you will get advanced option. Just click on it, and these options will be available. Select troubleshoot option and select the advanced options and select startup settings, and select this restart option, and you just need to press in keyboard 4 key or F4 key in our keyboard, and this will enter in safe mode. And after you are in the safe mode, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. And now you just need to expand the display adapter section and right click on where display driver and select uninstall device, and check mark this attempt to remove the driver for this device, and select uninstall option. After doing it, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. To prevent this problem in future, you just need to go to search menu and type choose your power plan, click on open it. Select choose what the power buttons do, and select change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck this fast startup option guys. Just uncheck it and select save changes option. And now just to close stuff here and restart your PC, you will never face this problem again. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.